Hey y'all, welcome to Pleiadian Point of View. I'm Peyton, and I'm a Pleiadian channel and starseed coach. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at some of the things that are going to be popping up for us in the current energies. And one of those things that is going to be highlighted for most of us as we move deeper into the winter energies is the body. So the Pleiadians are going to be talking to us today about what we are going to be noticing in the body and what is going on energetically behind the scenes. But before we dive into today's topic, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button if you haven't done that yet. Now, as we move into the energies of the winter months, one of the things that the Pleiadians are noticing in the collective energy is that many of us are going to be finding the focus on our bodies. So the energies that are going to be hitting the planet are going to be bringing our attention to anything in our bodies that are out of balance. So this can show up, of course, for us in lots of different ways, and it's going to look a little different for everyone. But some of the things that we may be noticing is that we're starting to feel very motivated, very inspired to clean up our bodies. So cleaning up what we are eating, what we are drinking, even down to things like the cookware that we cook our food in, the products that we put on our bodies. All of this, of course, is frequency. Everything is frequency. So anything we are taking into the body, whether we're eating it, drinking it, taking supplements, or just putting things on our bodies, products, perfumes, lotions, everything that is coming in contact with the body brings a vibrational signature. So what that means as we move through very accelerated ascension energies, as we have been for quite a while now, is that anything that is denser than we are starts to make noise. It starts to get a little squeaky. So one of the ways that this shows up for a lot of us after we have been doing our spiritual work for a while, and most of y'all who are watching these videos, you've been working on yourself for a long time now. So you probably have noticed that your vibration has gotten much higher than it was even a year or two ago. So what happens as we go through this process of raising our vibration is we're always bringing the physical body along with us. But unfortunately, our physical body is the densest part of us. That's why one of the things that most of us want to fix when we start to do our spiritual work is anything that's out of balance in the body. Right? So many of us, we want to work on health issues, things that hurt in the body, things that don't function the way we want them to. But a lot of us notice that we get somewhat slow results with this when we are focusing on the body. And the reason for this is really simple, y'all. The physical body is very dense. It's our connection, of course, to the 3D game. So what that means is we can move much quicker in our spirituality, in our consciousness, than our body can keep up with. So that's one of the reasons we see a lot of lag time when we're trying to heal and improve things in the body. It just takes the body longer because it's working at a slower frequency than our consciousness is. But now that we have been in these really intense planetary energies for about a year now, what we're noticing is the body is starting to catch up. The body is holding more light. So when that happens, what we will naturally see is that anything in the body that we are putting on the body, in the body, that is very dense, starts to feel out of alignment. So if you have been doing a lot of spiritual work on yourself, but you're still kind of eating like a raccoon in a garbage bin, this is going to catch up with you in these energies. So what we are seeing is all of those little things that, we still like some of those toys of 3D. We still like the cookies. We still like the occasional cocktail. But what happens as we start to raise the vibration of our physical body, which has lagged behind our consciousness a bit, but it's catching up. What happens is we start to get those signals that it's time to clean up the diet. And it's going to look differently for everyone. You may find that you are very drawn, like I'm hearing from so many of my friends right now, that they are doing cleanses, They are doing detoxes. They are doing things to target pathogens and parasites in the body. Of course, that is one of the huge ways that we all hold on to density is through the parasite load we carry, the bacterial load, the viral load, all those little microorganisms that are part of our physical system resonate at a lower vibration. So as we start to do intense spiritual work, we start getting that tap on the shoulder from our higher self that it's time to clean up the diet. So you may notice in the current energies and over the next month or so that you are pulled to start cleaning things up. Just whatever those little guilty pleasures are that you're still enjoying that may be of a slightly lower vibrational nature. And when the P's give us heads up like they're giving us today, doesn't mean we have to do it all in one day. So it doesn't mean you have to throw out everything in your refrigerator. But what the P's are kind of giving us a heads up on is that in these energies, we are going to be very pulled to start cleaning up the diet. And it's going to look differently for everyone in terms of how you go about doing that. There is no single right answer here, but the Pleiadians like to make some suggestions for things for us to investigate. So they like to encourage us when they're talking about cleaning up the body, to encourage us to consider things like cleaning up our food, going more natural, more organic, less processed, less of that food that we know is chemical garbage. We all know this. This is not news to any of us. But some of us, we still like to play with it, right? It tastes good. So a lot of us are still eating things that we know are not the highest vibration. But that is going to catch up with us as we raise the vibration of the body. The body can't tolerate things that are very dense and low vibration. So you may notice that your body is calling for cleaner water. You may be called to move away from things like processed foods, those seed oils we're hearing so much about, fluoride in the water, all things for you to just research for yourself. What is right for one person isn't right for everyone. But these are some of the things that we will often hear from the guides kind of encouraging us to explore. Anything we can do to get things cleaner, more natural, more organic, less tampered with by humans. So the more we are tracing things back to nature, the better position we're putting ourselves in. So there's lots of ways that we can go about this, but as we raise the vibration of our consciousness, we are pulling the body along with us. But it is a little bit of a straggler. But in these energies, it's going to highlight anything in our bodies that are out of balance. So this may be the time where you start to tackle some of those health issues that have been a chronic concern for you. So you may find that you are looking for new modalities, new teachers, new health professionals to help you with some of those lingering bodily things. Because anything in the body that's out of alignment, we're going to start to hear it like a squeaky wheel. So that is what we are going to be focusing on in the coming energies, is bringing the body along on our consciousness journey. A lot of us, we forget about the body. But it's kind of like the car that we're driving, right? And so we want it to be as high vibrational as our consciousness. Otherwise, it just becomes an anchor to 3D. We will halt our progress if we aren't giving the same attention to our body that we're giving to our mind and our consciousness and our spirit right now. So the body lags behind a little bit, but now is the time where we're starting to see the lightening of our 3D bodies. We're starting to hold a lot more light. So our bodies can't handle some of that old garbage that we used to give it when we were denser 3D humans. We've got to make a change with the body. So that is what we're going to be seeing very heavily in the collective, in the energies for the next couple of weeks, is focusing on purifying, cleaning house in the body. So that is what the P's wanted to share with you in today's POV. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and the like button if you haven't done that yet. I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.